Hey guys, welcome to digit.in, and today we're going to be unboxing the second generation Apple Pencil. So let's just go ahead and take a look at what you get inside the box when you buy this accessory from Apple. So taking the box, actually, instead of lifting up, slides out, and there's a really nice pull tab over here to make your life easier. And you have a bunch of paperwork, leaflets, things that explain how the Apple Pencil works, what are its specs. There's a bunch, and the documentation is in multiple languages. There are no stickers here, unfortunately, but that's all right. So put that to the side over here. And then in the box itself, you have the Apple Pencil, which is way different than what the first generation Apple Pencil was. Like, it's not just a design change, but also functionally and feature wise as well. You no longer need to have a lightning port over here to charge the Apple Pencil, because it charges wirelessly when it connects to the new iPad Pro. The tip is still removable over here, but Apple no longer bundles a replaceable tip in the box. So there's that, and yep, that's it. Inside the box there is nothing else. It's just some paperwork and the Apple Pencil itself. Literally, that's all you get in the box with the Apple Pencil 2. So thank you guys for watching this video.